How to use leading lines to improve your photography. The lines we are using in this photo are vanishing perspective lines. Notice on the left there is a line created by the white paint meeting the blue paint on the wall. There are also lines created by the gutters of the cobbled path meeting the footpaths and the rooftops meeting the blue sky. All these lines converge at the end of the street, leading our eyes down the street to the bicycle and palm tree. So we have great directional pull, which is fantastic. Another really compelling aspect of this photo is the cat in the foreground. We often want something in the foreground as well as the background, helping to create interest, depth, and that directional pull. An added bonus is the cat is ginger, a warm colour, and the wall blue, a cool colour. They are colour opposites and go really well together. Ideally, I want to get in closer to the cat so the viewer feels more connected with it. First, I take this shot. Moving in might frighten the cat and it may move, so I get this shot first. It still looks good. It is from a standing position at eye level height, where most people photograph from. I then slowly move in closer and lower and get the second shot, my ideal shot. Notice the difference. This shot is more dynamic. The cat is closer and we are now more connected to it. We also have a clearer view of the bicycle. The blue and white line on the left building is more angled, creating a stronger pull towards the end of the road. So keep in mind when you're on your travels how you can use leading lines of buildings and roads to create a directional pull to an object at the back of the photo. Also, be willing to alter your camera height to achieve different angular lines to create a more dynamic, impactful shot. Till next time, all the best.